At EnerTribe, we bring broadband infrastructure to life with expert construction services tailored to the unique needs of tribal communities. From broadband towers to power systems, we construct the essential infrastructure needed to connect tribal communities to the digital world. Our construction teams build tower systems that ensure reliable coverage, even in the most remote and challenging environments. Fiber systems are the backbone of high-speed broadband. We install durable, scalable fiber networks that keep your community connected for generations. Our wireless system construction delivers broadband to hard-to-reach areas, bridging the connectivity gap with cost-effective solutions. From server rooms to network hubs, we construct the physical infrastructure needed to power reliable broadband networks. We build sustainable power systems, like solar arrays and battery backups, ensuring your broadband infrastructure remains operational during outages. With years of experience and a commitment to collaboration, our construction services are grounded in safety, efficiency, and quality. Construction is where vision becomes reality. At EnerTribe, we build the infrastructure that connects communities and creates opportunities. Let's build a better connected future together. EnerTribe, construction expertise, empowering communities.